Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about phrases and idioms in English. So let's get started. The first one is get carried away, which means let your emotions or enthusiasm take you further than you should have gone. मतलब इतना एक्साइटेड या इमोशनल हो जाना कि आप कंट्रोल खो दो. कैरिड अवे ऐसी सिचुएशंस में आता है जैसे कि हम दिवाली पर मिठाई खाते हैं तो एक के बाद एक और स्वीट हो जाती है, या फिर इमेजिन आपकी फर्स्ट सैलरी आई है एंड यू गो शॉपिंग, तो उस टाइम हम सब थोड़ा बहुत कैरिड अवे हो ही जाते हैं, राइट? कि ये भी लेना है, ये भी और ये भी. That we have understood the meaning. Let's see sentences of it. I got carried away and spent all my money on shopping. She got carried away while talking and revealed the secret. We got carried away planning the party and spent double the budget. I got carried away with the spices and made it too hot. I got carried away watching reels and wasted 2 hours. If you notice, in all these sentences, get carried away is used when excitement takes over and we lose control. Now let's move on to the next one, that is all over the place. All over the place means nothing is in order. Things are scattered, messy, and all around with no focus and no direction. मतलब जब कोई चीज़, इंसान या दिमाग का कोई ठिकाना ना हो, बस इधर उधर बिखरा पड़ा हो, that's all over the place. अब ये वर्ड ऐसी सिचुएशंस में तो यूज़ होता है ही जब आपका रूम बिखरा हुआ हो, दैट इज़ जब फिजिकली थिंग्स स्कैटर्ड हो, बट ये तब भी यूज़ होता है व्हेन योर माइंड और इमोशंस आर फीलिंग वेरी हेवी. One word to explain all over the place is chaotic, whether physically, mentally, or emotionally. Now let's see sentences of it. My room is all over the place. I can't find anything. I can't focus today. My mind is all over the place. Traffic in the city is all over the place during festivals. His desk is all over the place. Papers everywhere. Before the exam, my mind was all over the place. She cried, laughed, then got angry. She was all over the place. Next is drag one's feet, which means to delay doing something on purpose, especially because you don't want to do it. मतलब जानबूझकर किसी काम को टालना या धीरे धीरे करना क्योंकि आपका मन नहीं है. Important point to note here is that it's not just slow, it's intentionally slow. क्योंकि आपका मन नहीं है या आप अवॉइड कर रहे हो. Let's see sentences of it. The government has been dragging its feet on this issue for years. She dragged her feet about telling the truth as long as she could. He dragged his feet on replying to her message for 3 days. Stop dragging your feet and finish your homework. He always drags his feet when it comes to cleaning his room. Stop dragging your feet and take action now. Next one is have a change of heart, which means to change your decision or feelings about something. मतलब अपना फैसला या सोच बाद में बदल लेना. In one simple line, it means you were going to do one thing, but then your feelings changed and you decided differently. Let's see sentences of it. I was not going to attend the wedding, but I had a change of heart. She had a change of heart and decided to forgive him. He was going to quit his job, but had a change of heart at the last moment. The judge had a change of heart and reduced the punishment. I had a change of heart about moving to another city. At first, he refused to help, but then he had a change of heart. The next one is on the spur of the moment, which means doing something suddenly without any planning or thinking. The idea came and you acted on it instantly. मतलब बिना सोचे समझे अचानक से कुछ कर देना. Let's see sentences of it. He quit his job on the spur of the moment and regretted it later. I cut my hair on the spur of the moment without even thinking twice. He said those words on the spur of the moment. He got married on the spur of the moment with no big planning. The next one is read the room, which means to understand the mood, feelings or situation around you and behave accordingly. मतलब सिचुएशन और लोगों के मूड को समझकर वैसे बिहेव करना. Let's see sentences of it. He proposed at a funeral. Clearly he did not read the room. He started talking about his promotion when his friend had lost his job. Could not read the room. The meeting was tense and he walked in laughing. Could not read the room at all. She read the room and decided not to bring up the topic at dinner. The teacher saw the students were exhausted and cancelled the test. She really read the room. She started talking about diet at a birthday cake cutting. Read the room. Now, let's revise and see how these phrases are used in daily life. वो मिठाई देखकर इतना बह गई कि पूरी प्लेट खा गई. She got so carried away seeing the sweets that she finished the entire plate. मेरा कमरा पूरी तरह बिखरा हुआ है. My room is all over the place. वो अपनी शादी की तैयारियों में जानबूझकर देरी कर रहा है जैसे उसकी इच्छा ही नहीं है. He is dragging his feet on his wedding preparations as if he doesn't want to get married. वो उसे माफ नहीं करना चाहती थी, लेकिन उसकी आंखें देखकर उसका दिल बदल गया. not ready to forgive him, but after looking into his eyes, she had a change of heart. मैंने बिना सोचे समझे टिकट बुक कर ली. I booked the tickets on the spur of the moment. मीटिंग में लोगों का मूड समझना ज़रूरी है. It's important to read the room in meetings. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.